Hello everyone, this is Tom Cam from TK3D Prints. It's been over a year since I've done my last video. I do apologise for that. I've just been very active on the Photon Facebook group at the moment as an admin, and we've just actually gone over 30,000 new members. So it's been pretty hectic this last year. But we've had a lot of new users and they've been asking me why I actually print my models directly off the base when everyone's been telling them to print them at 45 degrees and stuff. Well, there's a couple of reasons why I do that. I think you get the best details when they're printed upright, and there's not that much loss in actual time. So the software I'll be using is 3D Builder for Windows 10. If you haven't got this and you're using a Mac, then use Mesh Mixer. I'll be using the PrusaSlicer for doing my supports and the original Photon Slicer to actually slice the model. So the first thing I will do is load in the model. Hero Forge models always give an error, so remember to repair the object first. One thing I'd like to make a note of is that when you load your model in, you'll need to make the base solid, because Hero Forge have a nasty habit of leaving the gap underneath and you'll end up getting supports underneath here. Hero Forge, if you're listening, it'd be nice if you could also do bases that are completely solid. So to sort this out, we'll add a hexagon. Just set that back to normal. And shrink it down to about the size of the base. I need to move the original model as well. Yeah. And click on the other model, just have a quick check, that's fine. So that's filled that up. So now we need to group the two models together. And yes, we have this bit here, so what we'll now do is go to Edit and then Split. And we just find the bottom like so. And then split. I'll give this a nice full bottom, hopefully. Nope. So we can select the model and ungroup again. Remember to click off that model as well. Just do another split at the very bottom of there. Split. And there we go. So now we can export this out once we've grouped them. Save as. Load up the PrusaSlicer, import the STL, again I like to have a little space in there. So now, before I actually go into adding the supports, let's just go into the print setting. These and my print settings. So if you want to pause and then adjust your PrusaSlicer to the same settings, object, hit the support icon and auto generate. Then go into manual and then clean up the supports that are not needed. Now adjust the supports and add supports as you need them. Remember, the direction of the cone is the direction of the actual support pillar. Put a couple of extra supports at the start. Remembering that will be separated as it's slicing through and adding, and we'll do some extras around the arms. Once you're happy with your placements, click apply changes. There you go. Then go to File, Export plate as STLs including supports. then load up your original slicer or the slicer that you wish to use. I like to have the model actually facing me. Double check your settings. Just to make sure. And then simply slice. Once it's finished slicing, opening up the window to full, scan through it, and check for any errors. I'm pretty confident with my supports and my model placement, so I don't bother with using the file validator. So now that that's actually sliced, just to prove a point about time, let me just import the model again, but this time unsupported. Go to there and just do an auto support for now, because I won't actually be printing this. But as you can actually see, the model is actually taller, so therefore it takes longer to print. This will vary between models. It won't be the same for all of them. And printing it directly upwards, you get the best line layers, and if you were printing it at an angle, you might start getting the ribbon coming up. Obviously, if you've got anti-alias, you can actually smooth it down a little bit with that, but with the old photons we don't actually have it, so this is why I prefer to print directly upwards. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I hope you find this of some help, and catch you all again soon.